Hello guys and welcome to the channel. I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my PC repair setup slash game station here. So I guess I just start from where I sit. Grab my chair. This is my keyboard, nothing special. Had the Corsair one, but I spilled coffee in it. PlayStation 4, Xbox controller. I keep USB hubs here. M.2 drive adapter for it fits all sorts of drives. Very necessary when working on computers. You need one of those or a hot swappable bay. And it's my computer. Just added all the RGB fans I had and got another 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It was same brand RAM, Gale Super Loose RGB. One's 3200 megahertz, and the other one was 2133, I do believe. But I have it all overclocked to 3400, I do believe. But either way, it's the auto overclock on the DOCP setting in BIOS. Enough of that, but we got a battery charger or portable charger here. Battery bank, I guess you'd say. Multimeter. My Steam Deck, I use that for all sorts of stuff. Then we got my anti-static mat and its magnetic flashlight, all sorts of tools, screws, different adapters, wires. I keep these little tabs that come with fans. Put them on the edge of the table from stuff from sliding off. It's kind of nice. Then I got my hot air stations, solder station. And up here, I got a whole basket full of RAM. Pretty much every kind of RAM, but DDR5. Tools for hard drive recovery, couple of motherboards. And I keep tools and wires and all sorts of cleaning stuff up there. I got a CRT monitor and my laptop, Acer Nitro 5. Trusty little machine. I just fixed the screen and the hinges and all the plastics on it about a week ago. Went smooth. Oh, and I use this right here. This is a Toshiba Dynadock. And it's a big USB hub, and that's how I got this monitor running. And then I use this monitor with this webcam hooked up to a mini tripod for working on PC repair. And that is my ghetto microscope until I can afford a good microscope. That has like 1,000-time magnification. But until then, that works pretty good. And that's about it. All these are the normal type of PC repair tools like spudgers and different types of bits. All the bits you need for working on consoles and cell phones and you name it. And that's the glorious RGB with the lights off. You got the RGB controlled with the remote too, which is pretty sweet. You can control the speed of the fans. I just now hooked that up to the motherboard after building my computer for 5 years. Took it apart, cleaned it, made it look brand new through new fans, and it didn't cost much either. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. That's my setup. Have a good night. Peace.